Imagine strapping into the cockpit of a fighter jet, but instead of leaving the ground, your feet stay firmly planted on the grass while your vision tears through the clouds at 60 miles per hour. That is the exact reality of first-person view drone flight. For years, entering this world felt like trying to crack a highly guarded, incredibly expensive secret society. You needed deep pockets, technical knowledge, custom lens installations, and a high tolerance for motion sickness. But the landscape of consumer flight technology just shifted dramatically. DJI quietly dropped something that completely rewrites the entry requirements for immersive flight. It is called the DJI Goggles N3. At a fraction of the cost of flagship headsets, this unit aims to democratize the entire digital first-person view industry. But whenever a tech giant drops a product at half the price of its premium sibling, a burning question echoes across the entire community. What did they strip away to hit that price point? And more importantly, is it actually good enough to justify your hard-earned money? Or is it a clever trap for beginners? To truly understand what the Goggles N3 represents, you have to look at the massive problem it solves. If you wear prescription glasses, the traditional FPV experience is a logistical nightmare. Standard compact headsets force you to either cram your frames against your face, buy custom prescription lens inserts that cost a fortune, or fiddle with diopter adjustments that never quite feel completely sharp. Especially if you suffer from astigmatism, DJI approached the Goggles N3 with a completely different philosophy. Instead of shrinking the headset down to the bare minimum, they leaned into a spacious, box goggle design. The interior cavity is massive. You do not take off your glasses. You do not adjust diopters. You literally just slide the headset over your face with your everyday prescription glasses still on. The memory foam padding contours seamlessly, blocking out every single drop of ambient light. It is an instant, uncompromised view. No eye strain, no blurry edges, just immediate clarity. For anyone who has spent years struggling with headset ergonomics, this design choice alone feels like a massive victory. But comfort means absolutely nothing if the visual experience feels like looking through a window covered in grease. This is where the engineering choices become incredibly interesting. While the top-tier Goggles 3 relies on dual micro-LED screens, the Goggles N3 utilizes a single, ultra-wide 3.5-inch 1080p LCD panel. On paper, purists might complain about the lack of deep OLED contrast levels. But out in the field, when you are actually tearing through tight spaces, the real-world performance tells a completely different story. The field of view stretches out to a massive 54 degrees. That is visually larger than the field of view on headsets costing double the price. When you put them on, the screen completely dominates your peripheral vision. Aerial scenes do not just sit in front of you. They swallow you whole. The light path is precisely guided, reducing the typical eye fatigue associated with budget box goggles. It provides a bright, sharp, and highly responsive feed that makes you forget you are wearing a budget-friendly device within seconds of takeoff. Of course, a massive display is completely useless if the wireless link between your drone and your eyes is unstable. If your video feed drops out or stutters for even a fraction of a second while moving at high speeds, your drone becomes an expensive pile of broken plastic. To prevent this, DJI